Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. I've got a Bulq.com case, has 42 items in it. I'm super excited about it because we're going to see what we can add to our mystery boxes and also put for sale on Pickin.com. A lot of new stuff on Pickin.com. So let's get in this box and check it out. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so this is a Bulq.com case of new toys, games, stuffed animals, crafts. 42 items. I paid $88 for it. Shipped it to me for $30. Total all in at $118. $2.81 per item. So that's a little bit higher than I've been paying on some of my toy boxes. I have a knife today because we did a really cool thing yesterday. So we had a lady in our church that came home from visiting her husband for a couple of weeks. And the reason I have a knife is because I use my box cutter and it's still in the car, so I just grabbed this. But anyway, she was visiting her husband for a couple of weeks in Florida, came home to a foot of water in her basement. Sump pump quit working. And like a bunch of people from church came over and helped, so that was awesome. So that's why I don't have my box cutter. Oh, look at that. These things are cool. I just think these are cool. These kingdom builders. Is that a different guy than we had before?
It looks like a different guy.
Yeah. This is a lady.
Oh. There's a lady.
This is a... Look at the back. It's a screwdriver.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that's what it was. That's cool. What's this one? There's the guy.
The whole set now.
And here's the girl. Cool. So we're going to see how much money we make. Make sure you stay tuned, and we will watch the second video. Ooh, I sold these lickety-split super fast the last time. I think I listed it on Amazon, and it sold. So I know that's a really quick sale. What else is this? I think I have this guy listed on Pickin.
Yes.
I have this exact one, and so we'll probably put him on Pickin.
I'll scan over to Hooked on Pickin.
Yes, there's all the stuff listed on Pickin. We have got a lot of brand new toys and fun things, some household items, pet supplies, a snorkel mask, things like that, a jump starter, doggy do games, more dude. The fart launcher 3000, unfortunately,
just sold this morning.
It just sold this morning. Yes. So anyway, smooshy mooshy. All right. Ooh, I sold one of these on Pickin. Pinky Pop'ems. These are pretty popular. And then what else we have? Googly Eyes. A family game of Wacky Vision. Put on the Wacky Vision altering glasses and try to get your team to guess what you're drawing. Huh. Interesting. That looks fun. So anyway, we're going to do a listing video, see how much we can put on.
There's a box in a box.
There is a box in a box. It's a mystery box for me.
Mystery box in a box.
Well, that is clearly broken.
Oh, no.
So it's supposed to be brand new, but this is cracked to smithereens. Yeah. So we're going to contact Bulq and see if we can't get a refund on this one item, because it's clearly not new if it's broken like that. So
probably just got smashed.
Yeah, maybe. A Micro Maniacs.
Ronda Rousey?
Yeah. Ronda Rousey. Okay. Then what else do we have? Ooh. Whoopee cushions.
Very needed.
Yes, they're needed. What else is in here? What is that? Look through the lenses to reveal a rainbow-colored world and activate the light-up horn for unicorn power.
It's a unicorn kitty.
Oh, it does look really weird when you look through it. I don't know if you can see through the little lenses. And it looks kind of psychedelic.
Your kids can trip out.
Yeah, trip out. All right. There's some more of those.
I hope they're worth something.
Yeah, let's hope so. These would be fun to put in mystery boxes, though, if we had them. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, Chelsea. Club doll. Little Barbie doll. Ooh. Love me some Legos. From the
348 pieces.
348 pieces. This is going to go
I'm
good.
going to guess $40.
Yeah? The last few Lego sets we have actually put on Amazon and they've sold same day.
Right. Merch,
So,
merch
yep,
day.
merch by Amazon. We have not been sending stuff into the warehouse right now. What is this? What in the...
What is that?
This end up.
Crate creatures.
Crate creatures. What does it do?
Prize.
Do not pull the tongue. It's supposed to do something?
It says don't do it.
Well, listen, I never follow the rules. You know that.
She's a rebel.
I'm a rebel. Okay, I think there's another one in here.
Crate creatures. Quit pulling the tongue. It says don't pull the
Well,
tongue.
I want to see what it does.
Probably breaking it if you pull the tongue.
Probably. Okay, speak to me and I'll speak back. I'm in a creature voice. Oh, so basically, I bet it has one of those things in, so if you take the little thing out. Yeah, it's got a little plastic thing so I can pull the battery thing out, but I don't want to do that and make it go dead. It says, feed me my popsicle and hear me chow down. Roar in delight when you shake me, flip me, and knock me over. So these are the things it does. My eyes glow and I shake with rage when you pull my tongue. So basically, right now it's not turned on. So
Rage creature in a box.
rage creature in a box.
Perfect for children at home.
Yes, you can give a rage creature to your rage creature. Hot Wheels. Here's another rage creature. They're all different too, I think.
It's a mystery. You never know
It's a
what you're gonna
mystery.
get.
Never know which one we're gonna get. What are these? Shrink art. So there's a couple of them in here. Shrink art includes metallic marker. Oh, I know what these are. Okay, my daughter actually made these in school one time. These big plastic things you color in and you write on and you draw, and then you bake them in the oven, and then they make actually a really hard necklace pendant. And so you basically create your own pendant. See, if you look on the back, it's got the directions. So it shows set up your work surface. Basically, then you cook them on a cookie. You color them, and then you cook them on a cookie sheet. And then they end up being like, when you put them on the cookie sheet, they're like this big, and then they come down to like something like this big. And so they're really cool. The one I have for my daughter, I love, because I know specifically she colored it, and it was really fun. So here's a couple more of those. These are neat. I love these. So let's see what else is in here. From Fortnite. The Fortnite guy. I don't know who he is, but I'm sure you guys do. Fortnite. There's no name on it. All right. Bubbles. And these are not actually open. There were some that we had gotten that were open. These are all good. Here's another shrink art. Another bubble. So all these, they're actually called fubbles, because they're the really big bubble blowers. What else is in here? Wooden tool play set. That'd be cute for little toddlers and stuff. 10 items in it. Okay. Let's see, more shrink art, which I'm super excited about. I want to do one of those. What is this? Oh, a wooden sign. You can paint it yourself. This looks like something my daughter Faith would love. Make your own art. But look at the pictures on the back, how you can kind of do stuff like that. Mm-hmm. This is really neat. I actually saw these at Walmart the other day when I was walking by the craft section, and it's got little hooks so you can hang it. So that's neat. I like that. What else is in here? Slimy glue mix-ums, so you can put a bunch of glitter and stuff in your slimy glue. And we've got some, it's like glitter pens, I think. This is a good box. I'm curious about those monsters. I hope they're worth something. Then we've got some glue with it's a slime bundle. So you can make slime with these two things. Then what is this? Is this I thought it was a narwhal. I don't know. Yeah, I think it is, but it's sitting down. It's so soft and squishy. It's so cute. I love it. Sorry. Distracted by the plushie. All right. What is in this box? Oh, wait. Hold on. There's some other stuff in here. More whoopee cushions. Ooh, what is this? Magic the Gathering set. So.
Well, that game's been around for a while.
I know, my brother used to play it when we were kids.
That's age 13 plus. So
Okay. Probably won't end up in the mystery boxes. We'll probably list it individually. All right, what is this? Case pack of 2.
I've never seen that before. I've never seen a box in a box like
Inside
that.
of a case like this. Here's another magic one. Yeah. So we may sell those as a 2 set. All right. Let's see. It just says case pack 2. I don't know what is in here. I'm trying not to chop my fingers off with this knife. It's a good little knife, though.
That's your Via trading knife.
It is a Via trading knife. Look.
Box.
Yeah, I'm opening a Bulq box. Look.
With a Via
With a Via trading knife.
The joys of liquidation world.
Yes. Okay, what is it? Ooh, Incredibles
cool.
2.
Brand new.
Yeah. How can I get it out without breaking the box?
Yeah. Hey, flip the box upside down.
Oh, I think I got it.
There you
It's the same guy.
go. Wow, look at that.
He is cool. Try me. Poke Jack's tummy. Oh, look at his face.
His eyes go blue.
That's cool.
Well, he's brand new.
He is. Wow, this is cool. All right, I'm hoping he's worth some money. So, like I said, this is a Bulq.com case, new toys, games, stuffed animals, crafts. This is all the cool stuff we got. Some of it will end up in our mystery boxes. So if you have not checked out the mystery boxes, sometimes I'm sold out because I only list as many mystery boxes as I have. And I actually have been pre-making the mystery boxes. So although you may send me requests, when you buy them, you'll get what I put in there. So it's actually sped up my process. We actually have 2 pallets coming from Bulq that should be delivered sometime this week of toys only. And so hopefully if you see the mystery boxes zeroed out right now, there'll be more on there. So just wait, they're coming. And so I spent $88 on this, shipped it for $30, $118. So let's see if we can make the 118 back. So watch the second listing video. It'll be linked at the end of this or down in the description. If you're interested in anything at Hooked on Pickin, go check it out. There's a lot of fun stuff on there. Hopefully it's been fun to see these 42 items from a new Bulq.com Toys and Games case. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, I make kids mystery boxes, which are super fun, but moms, do you want a mystery box? Or parents in general, do you want a mystery box? I make women's clothing boxes now, $14.99 a piece at hookedonpickin.com, and you get to pick your size. So if you love watching me unbox, you can have yourself 5 items for $14.99, and you get to do an unboxing yourself, but the best part is everything will be in your size. So you get to choose the size. So check it out at hookedonpickin.com, and the link will also be down in the description. Thanks.